Hey folks, welcome back. In this video we are going to configure Citrix Studio. So let's get started. Click on start, go to Citrix Studio. Let's get opened. Okay, now we have Citrix Studio open. Citrix storefront we need to configure once we have Citrix Studio configured. Okay, click on delivery application desktop to your user. Okay, enable your user to remotely access their physical machine, something that I'll let you know later on. Connect this delivery controller to an existing site. This is something I will let you know, that is called as HA, high availability. Let's see, you have just a single site, and let's see if it is down, there is no backup, right? To enable HA, high availability, we need to build another server, and we need to connect that server to this server. So once this server will be crashed, that server will go up automatic, and that will beauty of Citrix will never get you down. Okay, so that is another thing we will configure later on once we have good knowledge on the Citrix. So right now we are configuring Citrix Studio. Deliver application desktop to your user. Click on it. An empty unconfigured site, just put the site name. I'm putting prod. Okay, US. I'll make it capital. Oh, come on. All right, say next. Okay, if you have set up database on the different server, you can make it over here. If you're not, just leave as it is. So now it is creating an instance of the database. It takes little a while to generate an instance for this. Okay, use the free 30-day trial. You can add a license later. I really don't have Citrix license, it's very costly, so I really don't have budget to purchase it, so we are using as a trial. Say next. Finish. So it's creating a 3 different database. Okay, one is what? Citrix monitoring, US logging, and what? US site. You see no high availability, because why? Because we have not chosen a different domain controller. We have just a single server. That's what it shows no high availability. Okay, also we really don't have the external database, the separate database, enterprise or standard database created separately. So this is just SQL Express. This is just for demo. Even on the live environment, when you go to production working on L2, L3, database is managed by different team. Okay, so you really don't have to worry. If you're saying I really don't know what it is, SQL server, so you really don't have to worry. It is managed by different team, the database team. All right, so don't think that the trainer is not more talking about the SQL server. So because why I'm not saying, even I really don't know more about the SQL database, because there is nothing we can do with the database. Every big company, small or not small, I can say medium, and the big company, MNC company, does not maintain the database by Citrix team. It should be maintained by the database team only. Okay, so that's what you really don't have to worry on the database side. Okay, it should be managed by the database team only, the SQL team only. So now you are seeing creating storefront cluster. I will make it very clear these all things, once we have the lab setup, and while configuring the components, I'll make sure that you are clear on each things which we manage as a Citrix admin. Okay, so not to be not to be confused, or not to be say like trainer not giving the complete information. You really don't have to worry on it. While we are working on the troubleshooting, I'll make it very clear everything. So once you go into production, you will really don't have any challenge. Okay, so I'll make sure that you have complete knowledge on the Citrix.